Hello and welcome to Obloni Electrical. Okay, so yet again, I bring you another series on house wiring using the conduit method. Okay, so previously I did a complete house wiring video using the trunking method, but mostly in electrical wiring, the conduit wiring method has certain advantages over the trunking method. And so, mostly at homes, in commercial and industrial spaces, we mostly use conduit wiring system. And so, if you are an upcoming electrician, or you are an electrical wiring enthusiast, or you are a homeowner, you would definitely need to know something about conduit wiring. And that is exactly what I'm going to do in this series. And this is not only going to teach wiring, I'm going to start from the very beginning, the very foundation, and then we climb up step by step until we complete the wiring. So this is going to be another full house wiring series, but this time we are using conduit wiring method. And I would like you to stay through because some of the steps and some of the procedures we are going to do here are quite different from what we saw in the trunking wiring method, beginning from the type of tools we will need for the wiring and then how to lay out the system. All right, so this is just an introduction to the series. I would like you to meet me again so that we start the real deal. And that will be our first episode of this series, where we'll be talking about the preliminaries of conduit wiring method. Thank you for watching. Stay glued and don't forget to subscribe so you'll be notified when I post the next episode.